Kangaroo Care Women and Children Hospitals and Fertility Center.
Hello, I am Dr. Manjunath, Medical Director and Consultant Pediatrician, Kangaroo Care Women's and Children's Hospital, Mysore. Today I am going to talk regarding febrile convulsions in children. What is febrile convulsions? Simply we can say convulsions triggered by fever. It is one of the commonest seizure disorders in children. It accounts for 3 to 4% of the young children. The febrile convulsions, the age group is common in 9 months to 5 years. Coming to etiology, it runs in the family. Most of the time, parents and siblings had febrile seizures. In some families, it runs as a autosomal dominant. Clinical features includes patient develops fever 38 degree or more followed by the convulsions. Patient noticed uprolling of the eyeball and stiffness of the body and jerkiness of the body. This will last 1 to 2 minutes. It will stop itself. Coming to the type of febrile seizure, there will be two types of febrile seizures. One is typical febrile seizure and another one is atypical febrile seizures. In typical febrile seizures includes babies of 9 months to 5 years, and it is a simple type of febrile seizures. It is a generalized one, tonic-clonic type of seizures. The duration will be 3 minutes or less than 5 minutes. There will be single episode within 24 hours. There will be no post-ictal drowsiness. These group of children will have a good prognosis. 1% of these type of children will have future epilepsy. In atypical febrile seizures or complex febrile seizures, there will be multiple episodes of seizure. Type of seizures will be focal or generalized. Duration will be extends more than 15 minutes. There will be post-ictal drowsiness will be present. These type of children will have 30 to 40% future epilepsy if risk factor associated such as family history of epilepsy or pre-existing neurological disease or delayed development. Coming to the management, patient comes with seizure or convulsions, we have to give more importance to the stop the seizure. Followed by ABC. ABC means airway, breathing and circulation. Then you have to stop the seizure by giving midazolam spray or IV or IM midazolam injection or IV lorazepam injection or rectal diazepam. Whereas in simple febrile seizure, no need of investigation is necessary. Most of the time, simple febrile seizures followed by viral infections. You have to treat the fever by giving antipyretic and to know the focus of infection. In sometimes complex febrile seizures with risk factors such as delayed development, pre-existing neurological disease or family step seizure disorder, these type of people needs investigation such as EEG to know the type of seizure, MRI and to the LP to rule out the meningitis. Coming to the prophylaxis, to prevent the recurrent of seizure, there will be two types of prophylaxis. One intermittent prophylaxis and continuous prophylaxis. In intermittent prophylaxis, you are giving clobazam tablets 1 mg per kg body weight per day in 2 divided doses whenever the fever comes till 5 years. But this intermittent prophylaxis also is debatable whether you have to use or not. In continuous prophylaxis, you are using anticonvulsants such as phenobarbital and sodium valproate. Before giving to these drugs, we have to weigh versus benefits versus side effects. Because if you give sodium valproate, it will hepatotoxic. If you give phenobarbital, it will affect on cognitive development. In overall, we can say most of the febrile children febrile seizure patient will have a good prognosis.